Hey, it's Rena. It's springtime, cherry blossoms are blooming, and I didn't even have to go to a park or to DC because my parents have one in their front yard. And I've been obsessed with making centerpieces, not as a profession, because your girl don't got time for that, but I just really enjoy DIYs and flower arrangements and just using my creativity. And I've been obsessed with submerged flower arrangements for the past like 48 hours. It's pretty cool without water also. So I made a simple cylindrical faced one, and my mom liked it so much that she wanted us to go back outside and get some more. And not gonna lie, the trees are pretty tall. You can't just, have someone climb on your back and try to reach and try to get something. You literally have to climb the tree or get a ladder. So my brother was able to chop the first piece that you see in the cylindrical vase. And then when my mom asked us to get something more, thank God my dad wanted to climb the tree and get it for us. So he chopped off like a huge branch, and that was pretty awesome. So thanks, Dad. And so with that first cylindrical basic vase, all I did was place the stem, or rather the branch, into the vase, and it looked beautiful without water. The thing with the ones that are submerged in the water is they don't last as long because they usually have like bacteria on the outside of the plants, and so when you add water, when it's submerged, bacteria is able to go inside the petals or inside of the bud. The second one I tested out with the water, and I didn't have those fancy flower arrangement pins that usually set at the bottom and puncture the stem through. So I just used a regular sewing pin, and I punctured the stem horizontally so it was parallel to the actual stem, and then I anchored it under the pebble white rocks, which I rinsed out multiple times so the residue or sediment wouldn't mix into the water and making it all powdery and gunky. So I made 5 different ones, and there's one with the wide neck and it tapers down. The second one is a stemless glass that I rinsed out the pebbles, but the key thing with anchoring the one that is in the water is that you have to anchor it because flowers tend to float when they are in water. The third vase is a simple one also. It is wide at the top and then it tapers down slightly, and I just stuffed some blossoms in the bottom, and then the branches are pouring out of the top, which I think it looks pretty cool too. But I'm gonna do a quick close-up with everything, and I'm sorry that I'm like whispering because I didn't want my family to know I was recording. So there's gonna be some close-ups at the end, and I'll just show you some detail, and it is nighttime so I have the flash, but I think it looked pretty cool and you could pretty much see some detail. Alrighty, so that's my dad's artwork at the back. But this is a cherry blossom from our garden. This one is without water, but that's that type of vase that is really nice. Here's a stemless wine glass that is really cute, perfect for desktop. Here's a tall vase, and it goes beyond the top part. Again, you can see my dad's awesome artwork that he made at the background. Great centerpiece. This one I tested out with some pebbles, and because they float, you gotta put a pin in the middle, keep it down, and water magnifies it. And this is pebbles that I rinsed before putting in here. That's another one without the pebbles, and here's just a typical simple piece. This is beautiful and inexpensive.